This is going to be a video tutorial on how to increase the size of your icons in the Tools panel. Let me jump over to Gimp here. Okay, I have Gimp open now. As you can see up here in the upper left-hand corner, by default, the icons are pretty tiny in your toolbox over here. To enlarge them, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is go up to the Edit tab, click on Edit. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences and click on Preferences. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, in the Interface section here, you want to click on Icon Theme. Icon Theme. And then right down here, you want to click this drop down here, and you want to put it on Custom Icon Size. Custom Icon Size. And that allows you to move this slider here. As you can see, this says small, medium, large, or huge. If you click on medium, as you can see, my icons just got bigger. If you click on large, now they're even bigger. If you click on huge, now they're huge. I usually like to go with large. I'm going to click on large. Then I'm going to click on OK. And that is how to increase the size of your toolbox icons in Gimp. Thanks for watching.